And today I'm at Bolton Motorcycles to pick up this beautiful Kawasaki Vulcan S for 2023. Brand new colors, fully customizable urban cruiser from Kawasaki. I'm really excited to get my hands on this bike, ride this bike, live with this bike. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to keep up to date with the new motorcycle reviews that I put out here on the channel. Now let's get started and hear what it sounds like. So here I am riding the Kawasaki Vulcan S. One of the most common questions I get on the channel here about this bike is the fact that people are saying that this does not have any character at all. Even though it's a cruiser. We're used to American style cruisers and V-twins and all that. Loads of punch, loads of torque. And this is obviously a small displacement bike. If we talk about American cruisers, does it really not have any character at all? Well, to be fair, we have to start from the beginning here. You get a lot more than what you were used to from your American cruiser, which is basically a bike that is a lot more lightweight than your typical cruiser, and so it's a lot more agile, and it feels very agile. It feels like it could get up to speed just as quick as, you know, say a Sportster. So let's give it a go. Let's put second gear in. Speed limit is 50 here, and then let's crank it up. Boom, speed limit. You see how quick it went up to speed, and look at this, it keeps up to speed at 50 miles an hour, no problem at all, thanks to the position of the handlebars, which is very comfortable indeed. It keeps my back perfectly straight. Obviously, complementing that, you've got the forward positioned foot controls that, yeah, they're comfortable. Obviously, these are fully customizable as well. What it means is that you can tailor your seating position to suit your needs. Oh, it's quick, you know, it's a quick bike. Kick fifth gear in at 50 miles an hour and so smooth at just about 4,000 RPM. But just briefly going back to talk about the seating position, you can tweak it to suit your needs, to suit your riding style. At the moment, we have the foot control set up at the mid-level position, but we could probably change that later on. So as I said, you're sitting completely upright. The reach to the handlebars is not extreme at all. It's very comfortable. These handlebars are not tall by any stretch. As it stands right now, I feel just a little bit cramped. Notice that I'm 6 foot tall and my knees are, you know, sitting quite high compared to where they would normally sit on a naked bike. So yeah, with that out of the way, I think we can comfortably say that the Kawasaki Vulcan S is a comfortable motorcycle. So far so good. So I think this pretty much wraps it up for me as I'm testing this bike now in town to see how easy it is to handle in traffic and whatnot. So stay tuned for the next episode where I'm going to tell you exactly what it's been like to live with this bike for the long term. Now, make sure you like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.